2 ways to get access to your first million. So, I will be sharing with you 2 options paano magkaroon ng access ng 1 milyon. So, dalawang paraan lang. So, stay tuned in this video. Okay, so yung pinakamadaling paraan is yung mag-insurance. So, kumuha ka ng insurance, may mga policies dyan na bibigyan ka ng access ng 1 million pesos after 90 days from the approval of your policy. So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay bayaran yung buong quarter. So, worth 3 months na premium mo, covered ka na. Then imagine mo magkakaroon ka agad ng access ng 1 million pagkabayad mo ng isang buong quarter. So, that's yung 1 million na yan, pwede mo yung magamit in case of side events like sickness, accident, death, and disability. So, you are protected for any major emergencies. It's simple, manageable, at nagbibigay ng peace of mind sa family na protektado ka financially with very little effort. So, the second way naman is mag-save ka. So, it could be 5 years, it could be 10 years, so depende yan sa timeline mo. So, with pag-iipon, yes, possible siya na makapag-ipon ka ng 1 million, pero sobrang disiplina ang kailangan. So, kailangan mo consistent kang mag-ipon ng malaking halaga every month. Dapat mo ring iwasan ng temptation na yung paggastos, at saka umasa tayo talaga na okay yung market by the end of 5 years or 10 years. Kasi with inflation, bumababa din yung value ng pera natin over time. Okay? So, it's reliable, but it is stressful. So, ano bang mas preferred mo? Mas madali or mahirap?